Hi everyone, my name is Mitra Manesh. I help individuals and workplaces around the world to live, lead, and love more peacefully and more mindfully.
To me, the highest power we have as human beings is the power of definition. When I asked myself about peace, the first association that came to my awareness was my childhood memory of the movie War and Peace, based on Tolstoy's novel, and later about choosing peace and literally walking out of my country of birth, Iran, in the midst of war. But today, as a seeker and teacher of truth, my definition of peace is not really about the absence of war. It's about awakening and remembering oneness, seeing humanity as one body and myself as one cell, a knowing, compassionate, and loving cell. You see, to me, peace is not a goal and a destination. It's a byproduct of living an awakened and conscious life. When I remember we have come from oneness and we're going back to oneness, I trust. I settle into the flow of the moment, and then I feel a sense of peace. I don't even think about peace until there is a war going on inside of me. And fundamentally, the inner war happens when I forget our connectedness and my loving role as a cell in the body of life. It is in that remembering that I show up in justice with patience and a clear desire to see, hear, and connect with others with and in peace. The opposite of peace is not war. It is more a state of a mind unbarred. Peace is not a destination, as it is an awakening and remembering station. Peace is a verb in need of a substantial definition. To me, it's hearing the unheard and declaring our admission. It's seeing the unseen beyond our ambition. It's remembering our united mission and condition. Peace shows up in so many ways: being, feeling, doing. Being that connects the dots and hence freeing. Feeling the collective pain and attending to our healing. Doing something with this opportunity for elevation and renewing. But above all, peace is letting go of thousands of years of collective separation disease, cultivating, welcoming, celebrating our connection, please.